Welcome back. As you can see here, I've got 4 aluminium plates. That will be my project for today. Now these were cast from all kinds of scrap aluminium, including soda cans, and some of them still have voids in them, as you can see here. And but it shouldn't hurt anything. It's not going to be on a mating surface. So the idea behind, or what this is for, is it's for a CNC machine of my brother's. Now he needs to mount a profile like this to a pair of linear rail bearings. Now it's going to have a bearing on both ends, and it needs to clamp around this profile. So my idea was to put them on a vertical position and basically clamp them around the profile. So what needs to happen here is I need to cut in a recess on both on each profile, and then mill out a little recess on the side and drill 2 holes on each end. So this is going to clamp your vertical riser for your gantry in between, so it's going to form a nice sandwich. Now there's also going to be a nut that's going to be mounted to the back of the one profile, and that I'll address at a later stage. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, this is basically the idea behind these brackets. Profile is going to be clamped and sandwiched between two plates. Now what I need to do is to drill and tap, or not tap, but just drill the 4 holes per bracket for the bearing blocks to be mounted to these plates. Now I've got it sandwiched together, and I'm going to clamp it in a vise and then use the pattern that's on the sketch that I've got for the bearings, and offset it to have the bearing perfectly center mounted on these rails here. My hole pattern is 32 wide, so I'm going to offset it by 16 to the side. And 7.5 millimeters in, 9.5 if I include my edge finder's 2 millimeter offset. And there will be the first hole. Okay, here are the brackets in position. The bearings at the bottom. So now you get the idea of how they work. Now we've decided against cutting in a recess here, because it's only going to weaken the upright surface here. So yeah, it's one down. Couple of things still to go on this machine which will be done on another video.